Hello mga guys! Sinasell ko to. $50 lang. Ganito lang siya. $15. Not 50. I'm just joking. It's 50. Oh, that's it! No! Nagagalit si mommy. Now let's go. Oh, let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, copy that. Cut the fuse by putting this white snail on the game. I'll leave this one to you. Whatever you do, don't get caught. Okay, go. Careful this time. Okay. Nice. Now put the snail on the candle and once. Good.
Huwag ka muna makakita ng marunong mo. Ako ko, pinas mo. Pinas mo yung face mo. Ito? Hindi. What's my partner to see the review?